Hello everybody, I'm Gary Crosby. I'm an action coach, business coach. Today I want to show you a simple tool that's going to help you to improve your decision making. So this is a really simple decision making tool. It's called Brain. Let me talk you through the 5 steps in this process. So let's use as an example the idea of you hiring a new employee. And the first thing we're going to consider in the Brain model is the benefits of bringing that person on board. The obvious ones of having a new person on the team, being able to expand your capabilities, maybe being able to develop a new product or move into a new marketplace. Be clear about what the benefits of making this decision will be. Now, once you've considered the benefits, it makes sense, doesn't it, to go across and consider what the risks will be. Clearly, this is going to be an extra cost in your business. You might not be sure whether this person is really going to integrate well into your team. There'll be 1 or 2 risks that you can identify to weigh up against those benefits that you've already discovered. Now, the A in the Brain model is all about alternatives. You might be considering hiring a new employee, but what else could you do? Perhaps there's capacity within your existing team to cover these tasks. Maybe you could outsource it to somebody. Maybe there's a system or an automation that could carry out these tasks as well. So it always pays to consider what your alternatives are before you make the decision. Now, the next thing that I want you to consider here is your gut instinct. There is a separate nervous system inside your gut. And when people talk about gut instinct, it's that feeling, that sixth sense that you get about a situation. So when you're considering this idea of hiring somebody else, what is your gut instinct actually telling you? Is this a good idea or not? It pays to trust your gut instinct. And finally, in the Brain model, we get to the N. The N stands for nothing. And what I mean by this is, what would happen if I did nothing? If the situation remained exactly as it is now, would that be a bad thing or a good thing? So as well as considering all the options that you've got, it also pays to think about what would happen if you did nothing. It brings a great balance to the overall analysis of the situation that you're in. That's a really simple decision-making tool. I hope you found it useful. Have a look around at the channel for other business tips. And if you'd like to talk about decision-making in your business, then get in touch. It would be great to have a conversation.